Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video because we're doing something a little different, a little spontaneous, and a whole lot of fun. Get ready for an epic DIY art and craft challenge. I've gathered a mystery box of supplies, some familiar, some, well, let's just say they're going to be a challenge. The goal is to create something amazing, or at least something recognizable, using only what's inside this box. No peeking, no cheating, just pure creative chaos. Are you ready to see what we're working with? Let's dive in. Okay, the box is open. Wow, okay, we've got some mismatched yarn, a handful of bottle caps, glitter of course. It wouldn't be a craft challenge without glitter, some old magazines, and a hot glue gun. This is going to be interesting. My mind is already racing with a million ideas, from a funky mosaic to a weird piece of modern sculpture. What would you make with these items? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your ideas. Right now, I'm thinking of creating a mixed media wall art piece. Let's see if we can turn this random collection of stuff into a masterpiece. Wish me luck. Alright, let's get crafting. The first step is to create a base. A pie. I'm cutting out a solid piece of cardboard from the box itself. Reduce, reuse, recycle, right? Now for the fun part. I'm thinking of creating a vibrant sunset scene. I'll use the magazine cutouts to create a colorful, layered sky. The bottle caps could be interesting as a textured sun, and the yarn? Maybe some rolling hills. 2. This is where you just have to trust the process and let your creativity take over. It's all about experimenting and not being afraid to make a mess. Remember, there are no mistakes in art, just happy accidents. And here it is, the finished piece. What do you think? We have our magazine strip sunset, our bottle cap sun shining bright, and these surprisingly cool textured hills made from yarn, and of course, a healthy dose of glitter, because why not? From a box of random odds and ends to this unique piece of wall art, I'd say this challenge was a huge success. It just goes to show, you don't need expensive supplies to be creative. All you need is a little imagination and a willingness to have fun. I hope this inspired you to look at everyday objects a little differently and maybe even start your own mystery box challenge. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and do forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you miss any of our future creative adventures. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!